Get in the locker room, man. We gotta get in there. Yeah, no. I'm not used to being you being on my team, man. I'm sorry. No bands, get in here.
45 seconds.
No bands, get to the locker room.
30 seconds.
Good defense, guys. Good defense.
15 seconds. No bad control hill. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No bad score. Hill is moving. Hill is moving. Remember, the game is still in play. The location of the match.
Here you left.
Where are you moving to? I don't know.
Hey, they need to cover that hole up on that clown.
Did somebody shoot you through it?
Yeah.
Tell them it's not a legal hit, okay? That is a blind fire.
What room is it?
Yes, it is. The 12-year-old in here.
I guess.
Watch out, my hole right here.
Damn it.
He got. JP got me. In the side. You suck! Cords, cords, cords! Yeah. Cords. You got me too, man. It's cords. Go to the clown. We're taking to the clown, all right? Nice!
Thank you.
You're raced. I could shoot you right in the peniz. Sorry, I shot you too close. It happens.
Yeah, I know.
Blake.
That's cheap. He freaking lit me up from like a...
Was it Bands who scored?
Silver room. We gotta get across. Now improving the silver room. Oh, nice shot. It starts now, right now.
Hey, watch out. They're behind that wall.
One minute, 30 seconds. Remember the yellow and then the silver. And then got it.
Oh, both hands hurts.
You know if you have that silver room?
No, that's for the room. Who's got it up?
Yeah, we got it.
I'm it. Dead man coming through. Dead man.
Hey, it bounced off your mag.
Did it?
Yeah, gun hit. Wait, don't you have that other gun? Bang.
I did not see you at all, dude. That was great.